To set up wireless payments in Google Pixel phone, first of all, you will need to open Google Play Store on your device, and in this tutorial I'll be focusing on Google Wallet. So we need to find an app called Google Wallet. And then download it. While it's downloading, let's go into the settings on my phone right here. And then we can go to connected devices, connection preferences, and enter NFC. You'll need to make sure that NFC is enabled whenever you want to pay. Also, you can activate protection for required device unlock before you can make any payments. I would strongly recommend to do so. Then there's contactless payments, and here I'm gonna choose Google Wallet. If you plan on using different app for payments, then just select whichever app you want right here that you've downloaded. Now, when we have our app ready, open it and then log into your Google account using that app. Allow all of the permissions, and then you can set up card, or if you do not see this prompt, click on Add Payment Card. Now you can scan your card using your camera, so there's this feed right here. Lift your phone and scan the card, or if you don't want to do that, you can also enter details manually using this option. Just enter the card number as well as the expiration date and security code. After that, your card will be added and you'll be able to pay with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.